DJI just quietly dropped an action camera that wasn't supposed to launch yet, and it might have just changed what we expect from the entire category. Meet the Osmo Action 6. Bigger sensor, variable aperture, and a dynamic range number that's raising eyebrows across the industry. While the world was waiting for DJI's global launch event later this month, the Osmo Action 6 suddenly appeared in China with almost no warning. No countdown, no leaks confirming the date, just a quiet release and a whole lot of new hardware under the hood. At first glance, the Osmo Action 6 looks familiar, and that's deliberate. DJI keeps the dual OLED displays, a 1.46-inch front screen and a crisp 2.5-inch rear panel, both reaching up to 800 nits of brightness. The camera still runs on the reliable 1950 mAh battery, rated for up to 240 minutes of use, depending on your shooting mode. No surprises there, no big changes, but that's where the similarities end. The real breakthrough lies inside. DJI ditches its 1.1.3-inch sensor for a larger 1.1.1-inch CMOS unit, unlocking a claimed 13.5 stops of dynamic range. That's a serious leap for an action camera, and a major improvement in highlight recovery and shadow detail. And then comes the part almost no one expected, a variable aperture lens, shifting from f2.0 to f4.0. It's a rare move in this category, giving creators more control in complex lighting, whether you're shooting sunset trails or underwater shadows. Even with the sensor upgrade, DJI sticks with familiar video specs, 4K at 60 frames per second in 1:1, or 4K at 120 frames per second for silky slow motion in 16:9. But still shooters get a generous bump, with the Action 6 now producing 38 megapixel photos. In China, the Osmo Action 6 starts at 2,998 yuan, about $422 US. That's roughly 15% more than the Osmo Action 5 Pro at launch. DJI is also offering several combo kits aimed at mountain bikers, snorkelers, and travel creators. Global pricing isn't confirmed yet, but expectations are already forming, and the Action 6 is shaping up to be one of DJI's most ambitious mid-cycle upgrades. So what does this all mean? In short, bigger sensor, better dynamic range, and a variable aperture make the Osmo Action 6 one of the most technically advanced action cameras DJI has ever produced. If DJI can keep the price competitive, this could be the sleeper hit of the season, especially for creators who need a compact camera with serious imaging chops. What do you think? Is the Osmo Action 6 a worthy upgrade or just a refined refresh? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest camera tech.